rolling down is the next exercise, and we're going to focus here on, once again, the center and focusing in on those muscles, and then also stretching the muscles out. As you can see, Karen is starting the exercise, and she is in first position, turned out, and she's already down, she's released through the back, and she's touching the ground. Are you going to be able to touch the ground the first time? Probably not. But it is something that you can certainly graduate into. Now, down in this position, she also then takes a demi-plie. Okay? Note that she's doing that a few times. And what is that doing? That's taking the degree of stretch further. Okay? Very, very important to try and do this every rehearsal. Now, she'll also open up into second position to be able to do this. And she'll return back to the standing position before she opens to second. Okay, it's a nice wide second, so now we're taking that second a little bit further out from our shoulders. Remember, originally I told you to put the heels under the shoulders, but when we go to a wide second, we take the feet outside of the shoulders. Here she's touching the ground again, and this is a great one. She goes right into the demi-plies. Look at that. And your muscles are going to feel wonderful after you do this. Okay, it's also going to work your second position, making it larger, and especially when you go into leg extensions, battements, or if you graduate eventually into grand jetés, large long leaps with your legs nice and straight. These are the exercises that will start to lead you towards that graduation process. Also, when Karen's down there in second position, she's going to take the heels off the ground. If she can just go back down there again. This is just starting to warm up your ankles very nicely. You can see how she's lifting up through, taking the heels right off of the ground. So the rolling down exercise, the other idea that we want to focus on is when we're going downward, where we're releasing the energy from. And if Karen, if you can just return back up a second and go back down so I can explain that. Rolling down, see the head, and let's just turn to the side a hair. See the head, how it starts to drop down through. She releases through her back, down through, lower back, and there we go. And that's how we get to a rolling down position.